The Gallery Dinner เลยของเราคือ Skate Lecture Room and Library เราเดินเข้ามาในร้าน
There's a table for you here in the middle.
โอเค
Hello. To show you our lovely champagne trolley with the selection by the glass. And by the way, my name is Luca. Lovely to meet you. So I'm one of the sommelier. With Daniel will take care of your table for today. On the first page, in case you enter for champagne, we have our selection by the glass with sparkling wines, champagne white, and rosé. They put the vintage just here at the bottom. You have the lot number, so L at 0.20, 0.17. So it's just a way to mask the vintage if they're not allowed. Because also I show you at the back. You see, it's like vin de table, français. So it's not. It doesn't have any kind of appellation, I would say.
Main course, which could be the cedar-led or the vegetarian. If you turn the page, you will see our a la carte, which is 3 courses as well. But this is what we need to tell the showcase of it. Our master chef, Pierre Gagnaire, he has restaurants all over the world. In Asia, but he's in Paris where he has a twister as well. He loves to combine multiple plates on the table at the same time. What we mean by that is that you pick a starter, a main and a dessert, but every course you can expect to be served a selection of plates. For example, you would pick the summer or the langoustine. You don't choose anything of the description there because you kind of order it as a theme, meaning that you'll have one main plate with 3 or 4 side plates as your starter. To make it slightly more complicated, on your right hand you will see the Australian black truffle. This is an additional course that could be added either to the lunch menu or the a la carte. Also, it's a winter season in Australia now, and it's an homage to those flavors. We have 4 plates where the truffle is the main ingredient. It's a beautiful dish. I might recommend you to share it with the table, for example, too, so that you can kind of save your appetite for the rest. On the next page, you will find the 4 main courses. You will pick one main course where again we serve you between 3 and 4 plates.
For you to begin your experience with us, and we start with this melon. It's a watermelon cubes compressed with Negroni cocktail, orange pure and tarragon cubes. We made this curcibas tartare and a Spanish passion fruit. We suggest to keep the tartare with a spoon. We continue with this rebel pepper financier, lemon and a paprika paste, trout, bacon and cucumber, bread soufflé with 2 different compote. The green one will be sorrel leaves and the red one is a raspberry coulis. Parmesan and almond sablé with a British blue cheese. This is a fermented celery tartlet and the wasabi mayonnaise. We finish with my favorite is these mussels, lemongrass, curry and cocoa leaves. Thank you so much and enjoy your lunch with us. Okay? Thank you so much.
แตงโมอ่ะประหลาดใส่เหล้านึกว่าจะอร่อยแตงโมแบบไม่ค่อยชอบแต่แล้วแฟชั่นฟู้ดอ่ะก็จะไม่ชอบเพราะว่าเปรี้ยวแต่อร่อย
ปลาช่อนฟูไม่เปรี้ยวไม่เปรี้ยว
มีเนื้อ
อันนี้
รส
ดี
ชาติมันจะสลับแบบประหลาดกับปกติ
มันมีวาซาบิมายองเนสอยู่ข้างในนี่ปะ
แต่รสชาติดองๆมาอยู่แล้ว
We begin with these 3 different kind of butter. This caramelized as a cannella finish with Hawaiian sea salt. We move with this salted butter and citrus. Beautiful butter brioche glazed with egg yolk and these crackers finished with cumin, nigel and mustard seeds. We made this table, which is a logo of the chef. It looks like a smiley face, but it's actually a table. Okay. We begin with the summer came da voi with your starter is a pan fried red mullet on the main plate is a bellino condiment made with lemon and capers and foil. To the left with this bouillabaisse foam is a confit fennel with cumin and a marinated rebel pepper. This is a marine broth. It's classic chef Pierre Gagnaire recipe, tofu cubes, crunchy vegetables. And and fresh herbs of tuna tartare and frozen foie gras.
ปลาแล้วข้างล่างมีครัวกากับอะไรก็ไม่รู้ทูน่าชาชายเอเชียนสไตล์ซุปซัมเมอร์เป็นยังไงบ้าง Very good
Langoustine, the Scottish langoustine in 5 different ways. On the main plate, the tail is roasted. The licorice is a powder with a coulis of apricot and a fresh almond. To the left side, there is a cuttlefish dim sum, the bisque.
Dim sum.
Yes. The dim sum is made in the cuttlefish. Inside the langoustine is a royal, it's a set like a flan langoustine, and then gyros mushroom to finish with the tail, fresh herbs, jelly, and kohlrabi. Enjoy. No rules, no order. Hey, just enjoy. Have a fun.
ชอบนะลางกูสตินก็นุ่มๆกรึบ
มีสไปซ์ข้างบนตัดเลือด
ๆมันแบบเผ็ดๆหน่อยอ่ะ
แล้วเรื่องกับซองซัง1989ตัวท็อปเลยแบบอร่อยมากมันออฟได้นิดๆแต่แบบออฟได้แบบ1989อ่ะคือเก็บไปแล้วแบบ35 ปีกินมันฝรั่งทอด
อร่อย
กินวิธีการกินเลแบบไฮโซ
อร่อยมาก หวานกิ๊บ
แล้วมันทอดอะไรนะกินไม่ได้
น่าดี
เอาไหมเกินความคาดหมายอร่อยเนอะจานนี้อร่อยมากคนจะนิยามมันว่า lobster terrine เอา lobster มิโซะข้างบนมาทำเป็นเจลลี่แบบอร่อยแบบไม่ขาวเลย
อันนี้ก็อร่อยมันเป็นฟีดิชพอดี แล้วมันมีลังกูสตินอยู่ข้างในด้วย
What do you eat by yourself? What kind of dining cuisine? Like this?
Cuisine? No, this is French cuisine.
French.
Yeah, French, like more modern cuisine because there is a lot of influences, kind of fusion French. But Pierre Gagnaire is the creator of the restaurant, is a French chef, and the basic cuisine is French.
Buckwheat, grapefruit, and walnuts.
เป็นออสเตรเลียนทรัฟเฟิล
Which one is the special
This is
one?
the special treat, Clos Joliette, Jurançon 1976. This is the classics, Vouvray, Pétillant 1964 from Ouet.
Austrian black truffle quartz. Usually it's a beautiful ingredient in different ways, of course. On the main plate is a foie gras. Some forte foie gras is a pan-fried Jersey royal potato soup, and it's a fresh truffle and a touch of cooked a little bit with the walnuts. The second course that we have is scallop. Something that scallop will be this corolla shapes inside truffle on top, lemon puree and celery stick brumas. Use egg yolk is confit with southern wine, southern cubes, the malt out, and we finish with very good sauce. Of course, it's a classic French sauce. Based with the black truffle, main ingredient as well is Madeira. Madeira and of course bean juice. And to finish the cold part will be this stracciatella. Ice cream with truffle jelly and Céline de Lyon is a dried beef. Thank you so much. Enjoy your eating.
พัวกรากับทรัฟเฟิล
เหมือนเห็นทรัฟเฟิลอยู่ใน
อร่อยมากอ่ะ
หอมอ่ะ หอมมาถึงตรงนี้เลย
เป็นอีกขั้นของแผ่นไฟพัวกรา
ป้ายโฟกาอร่อยมาก
อันนี้มันใส่กระหล่ำแบบอร่อยอ่ะเหมือนโอคานิโงกิไฮโซ
ตรงนี้
จริงๆโอคานิโงกิมันจะเป็นแบบปลาหมึกไงถ้าเราต้องกินอันนี้มันซ่ามันต้อง
อุ้ยชอบมากอ่ะเหมือนสแกลลอปแบบอร่อย
อันนี้เป็น3 main course เป็นเชอร์เบตล้างปาก
พร้อมกินดัก
This is the Welsh Lamb. The Welsh Lamb is from a rugged state, lightly marinated with bay leaf, as well as garlic and basil. It's coming for you. So Welsh Lamb, lightly marinated. On the main plate is Maris pepper, potato tuile, lautre garlic, and the bitter leaves. Lemon puree. It's lamb juice. To the right side, you can see this lamb sweet bread with a dandy picking. The picking is a classic chef Gagnaire recipe based on piquillo, rebel pepper, and tomato. With the shoulder will be this terrine, this eggplant cannelloni. The cold part will be this Roquefort ice cream and balsamic vinegar. With the Padovan spice, this pancetta is main plate, vegetables and fruit, seasoned. This is a frozen fire beans, shallots and creme fraiche. To finish, this peach granite, duck bouillon jelly.
ว้าวทำไมดักแก่เยอะ
For the lobster, it's a Colchester Lobster. So the tail is roasted with this meat infused with a buonasset, peach, and the carrots puree. To the left side, this ravioli. It's a Grisina courgette ricotta ravioli, of course my favorite, with this rillette, lime and mango. To finish the ravioli and the biscuit. Enjoy your main course, please. Enjoy everything. Pleasure.
Can we have a good photo?
Oh, please, please, please.
Here we are.
90% of it.
Glass of sweet wine.
Be something.
These are very unique selection of Porta Madeira, but we also have a lot of Tokai, Sauter,
Because they don't.
there's a lot of different wines. So here's
And they
put on
come
display
with the gun.
very old bottles. As you can see, some bottles are coming from the 19th century, so 1850, 1859. So everything by the glass.
มันเข้าไปโอ้ยชีสวินก็ดูสวยๆเยอะแยะสุดๆมินิ
On the side is a pistachio parfait and a rebel pepper coulis, this blackcurrant biscuits and grapefruits. For the grand dessert on the main plate, this caramelized apricot, white chocolate and pistachio. It works very well with this stracciatella and Campari sorbet. Cherries and licorice sorbet and a crystal d'amande, basil panna cotta and raspberry, strawberry sorbet, rhubarb compote and lemon sablé, Montelivares, nougat, melon coulis and black truffle, lire chocolate soufflé. Poi c'è selection French, British, very complex with the two different condiments. The onion compote with the black sesame seeds, peach jelly, grapes, blackcurrant biscuits, and cumin as well. Here for enjoy your wine, enjoy your dessert.
Thank you.
ประวิน
อะไร
เราต้องกินคำเดียว
โอเค โอเคก็หันครึ่งมา
Some chocolate mustard. The cube is Turkish delight of mint and cucumber, and then the tartlet with hibiscus and raspberry.
วายเยอะแบบสาเฮ้ยคือมี 1959 เยอะมากนะ959 Opion Half Bottle